What's on the agenda?
Well, we've got a SP Rally Car, which is basically an almost stock Subaru. It's got Riger shocks and a roll cage, and it's fully stripped. But other than that, I think it's basically stock. We've got some awesome ice cross tires that we're gonna throw on, and there's a lot of snow on the lake right now. We got hammered last week, so we're gonna try and do the best we can to plow a track in, but it's gonna be pretty tough, I think. But no matter what, we're gonna get that thing out there and just slide it around, dude.
It's a very grassroots program right now. Got the camera guy, the plow guy's coming, and the driver. Yeah. Yeah, she's neat.
Yeah, it's more snow than I thought there would be, but hopefully Mikey can put that old plow down and get going. Look at him. He's cranking. I mean, I don't know, do you just want to do your own thing, I guess?
I don't know, what are you looking for like?
I think just something that like floats, and it doesn't need to be like, it needs to be pretty wide. That's the only thing, just
yeah,
so
just
you can
once
like you can get multiple, because I think it sounds like there's quite a few people coming today.
Okay.
How
long are you looking for?
It doesn't need to be long. Like, I don't know. Half a mile. We could have like a turn coming around here, and then a pull off to come in, and then a right here it'll go off. So this could be the straightaway, and then maybe like at the end of this long straightaway, just like a really nice wide sweeper, and then just do whatever in the middle. Yeah. Track's looking great, so I'm just ready to get those studded tires on the STI and see what it can do. I just went and did a victory lap in the truck just to see how it was, and absolutely gagged her, dude.
Greased it.
Greased it.
It's not gonna keep up with my Ranger. This is our mechanic.
These things are gonna eat very nice.
Igor. He's been imported from Russia to bring studs.
Full buffet of ice today.
Oh,
Full buffet.
These are FIA sweatpants, dude. I got my FIA fireproof jacket on, dude. We're ready to rip.
Colin, have you ever gotten a ride along with Connor?
No. Not yet. Put your headphones on wherever they are.
Subaru Rally Car, Vermont state vehicle.
hear it from this. I said, and we saw people were plowing stuff on the way out. So I bet you these are the guys racing today.
Got a track plowed. A lot of people showed up. So it was overall a great day. These studded tires were pretty good. I'll definitely run them again, but good shakedown on the car. Time to send it to Dirtfish.